Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Final Cut Pro for noise reduction and film grain. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Open Final Cut Pro and import your video clip into the project timeline. Select the video clip you want to edit by clicking on it. Navigate to the effects panel located on the right side of the interface. In the search bar of the effects panel, type noise reduction. Drag the noise reduction effect onto your selected clip in the timeline. With the clip still selected, open the inspector panel by clicking the inspector button in the upper right corner. Look for the noise reduction settings in the inspector. Adjust the reduction amount slider to remove unwanted noise from your audio. Play back the clip to hear the changes and fine-tune the setting if necessary. Next, to add film grain, return to the effects panel. Search for film grain in the effects panel. Drag the film grain effect onto your video clip in the timeline. With the clip highlighted, go back to the inspector panel. Under the film grain settings, adjust the grain amount to achieve your desired level of grain. You can also modify the size and softness parameters to customize the look further. Play back your edited clip to see how the film grain complements your footage. Once you're satisfied with both the noise reduction and film grain effects, it's time to export your project. Go to the File menu and select Share, then choose your preferred export option. After exporting, review your final video to ensure all adjustments are to your liking. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.